everyone, welcome back to our channel. So we are going to wash Belle's hair today, and we are using her usual rice water. I've already done this. I did this a while ago and put it in the fridge. So I've just put in warm water to warm it up. You don't want to have the cold water on her, and that's what we're going to use to wash her hair. So in today's washing, we're going to use Vicks. I'm going to be cold. You won't be cold. I'm warming it. I've been using this a while and it's done wonders. This is the Vicks BabyRub. It's done amazing. Look, before Belle did not have any hair here, and now look at what we have. See, yeah. So all her edges grew, and this is what did it for her. We use this Vicks BabyRub, SheaMoisture carrot, mango and carrot shampoo, and the conditioner, SheaMoisture carrot and mango conditioner, and this is castor oil for her scalp. And we will finish it up with her coconut and hibiscus curling butter cream. And so let's get on with it.
Butter? That's not butter.
It's not butter. They just call it butter for the sake of it.
That's not butter.
I know. It's not butter.
That's my cream.
I know.
And
Professor. Whatever.
This is.
Okay, so can we start washing your hair, madam?
Yes.
Okay, let me just cut this off. The rubber band. We get these cheap ones from Primark. And
Is it broken?
yeah, all done.
All done?
I use this detangling
My
brush.
bam bam.
Detangling brush.
No.
It helps a lot.
And it helps. And it's not hurting. I will show you. Come here.
Okay, stay there, I'm coming. It doesn't hurt at all, does it?
And
These are the ones we use. I get them. All of this pack is for £1 from Primark, and because it's not expensive, you just cut it through and you're done.
You just cut it through when you just have it.
You are incredibly chatty today.
Yes.
How has your week been? We had Christmas.
And we have MJ and
had-
Betel and me and Mummy.
Yeah, and who else?
And MJ.
And Betel.
And me.
And you.
And you.
And me. And Auntie Jemima and Auntie Lena.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, let's wash your hair now. Okay? Do you want your tablet?
Yes.
Now every day, every night, every moment with you. you. I would watch the days go by, wasted and blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for crazy for love. Crazy for love. Whenever lost, whenever down, you know what to do, to do. There's no mountain I won't climb, be right by your side, right by your side. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for crazy for love. Crazy for love. I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me. I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for. You know I'm crazy for, crazy for love, crazy for. You know I'm crazy for, crazy for love.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on
right off
searching
the
for
back,
my
when
highs.
there's still moisture in it, I'm going with my
You can say
BabyRub.
I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
This has helped.
Even if the sky
It's
is
done
falling
wonders for her edging.
down. Even if the sky is falling down. Sky
and because of the heat in it, it tends to keep her hair warm, her head warm. But that's the reason I started using it in the first place. And I saw that it was growing her edges, and so I continued it.
Even if the sky is falling,
Before, when I wash her hair, I'll just put it
even if the sky is falling,
on her forehead and here, just to keep her hair warm, her head warm. And it started growing her edges, so I thought, oh, this is a good discovery for me. Yes, of course we have to be a little bit dramatic. For her scalp, I used a little castor oil for her scalp. Turn her head this way, Mama. I got this castor oil from Amazon. You know, I do most of my shopping on Amazon.
It is my shoes.
And then I'll massage her scalp just to get everything in there. Let me look at your face, Mama. Look at me. This place is a mess, guys. Ignore all of it. I'm going to clean up very soon. But let me look at your face. So this is a simple hairstyle. It doesn't take long to do. One inspiration. I'll give you more inspiration later.